everybody! Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be playing some laser tag. I have just found this just now. I have no idea what this is, so if I'm an absolute bot, you know why, okay? So we're going to be having a look at this game, see if it's any good, and if it is, then you already know we're going to just be playing some games, you know, chilling, having some fun. I've got my Pringles here. I'm just going to go num num num. And if you can comment down below what the exact time was when I'm uploading this video, then you should be proud of yourself. Theo has said well done to you. So, Pringles have said well done to you. Let's have one Pringle. I got. Okay, I have a gun. Oh, what is this then? So where just kids that was? They don't. Shoot him. Shoot him. What do I do then? Shoot him. Bro, I'm a beast. I've already got a kill. Let's have another Pringle, you know? Oh, you got a capture, I think. I want to get that flag then. Oh. Oh, I died. Okay. Let's go at her. Oh, so good. Boom, 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 boom. Coming for that booty. Boom. That deserves a 3 for that guy, bloody hell. Oh, fuck. Hello, let it go. Oh, my God, bro. Kill her. There is no music to this game, bro. Shoot them. Right, you got the flag, well, you ain't gonna capture it, that's one thing. Reload, come on. The flip is lagging, bro. Wait, let me get that flag. How do I get that flag? Oh! Team, help me. I want the flag. Come on. Can we get this? Come on. Oh. Yeah. Look for it. Where is it? What the hell? Okay, that ready? We go crap. The first person. No, come on, kill him. Kill him. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Bro, she's escaping. Not on my watch. 8 kills already, boys. Oh, yes. But I'll still clap you. Get down there. No, I want that kill. No, I want that kill. Okay, she said. Okay, right. Okay, I feel bad for them if you just camp this one. Oh. If you can't, every single time I bite a Dorito then. Okay, I'm gonna play a different game. Ooh. And guys, on Friday, last Friday, the Friday, yeah, basically, I went to Bristol Airsoft. No, Bristol Airsoft. There's that. Bristol Airsoft. Well, yeah, search this up. And then, yeah. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Peace.